Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mira from Disney's Royal Detective. So let's get started. To draw cute Mira, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. But I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter, not too deep, and wider. So say about right here. Go ahead and do the same thing and connect at the bottom. And I'm going to come about right here towards the center and make it a tiny bit sharper and connect. There. So it's very subtle, just a big bottom of a U and nice and wide. Okay, so then from there, let's come back to where we started on the edge and let's draw a big circle for her eyes. Again, come right across and do the same thing. So put right here. And now that the circle's in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Now that we have our eyes in, let's come to the sides right here. I'm going to spruce them up with a thick lash right here towards this corner and come in and thicken it up. Same thing over here. It's kind of like her eyeliner. There. And then let's come to the top and about right here, I'm going to draw a soft curve right over her eye and round off this corner and come down for her brow. So nice and thick. And shade it all in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Soft curve right over her eye. Thicken it up. And shade it in. There, so I have her brows in. Okay, so then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a big smile, slightly upwards right here and cap it off. And she has a beauty mark right here, so I'm just gonna add a little dot right there. From there, let's bring this curve up for her face. So I'm gonna go above kind of her brow area, come in a little bit, and same thing over here. And then I'm going to start to draw her bangs. So right over her brow, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve that comes about right here towards the center. And I'm going to zigzag a couple strands of hair. So one more. And towards this corner right here, I'm going to go up. And then whatever space I have right here about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and connect to finish off her face. Then from there, let's see here. Let's come up about right here and we're going to go up with our curve. So this is where her hair parts. And this is going to go up. And about right here, this part is going to come down. So her hair is, let's see here. Let's bring this over here. Her hair on this side right here is kind of swept back. So let's bring this down and her ear is going to be about in this area. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve just to simplify it and then go ahead and connect this. So we're just creating that shape and then in this area is where we're going to tuck her ear in, just right here. And before I finish this curve, I'm going to come right here and draw a circle for her earring. So hopefully, so just her hair is kind of wrapped around her ear and covering it with an earring right here. And a dangle part that comes down right there. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side, about right here. Same thing. Coming with a curve. And let's go ahead and finish this top part. So let's bring it around. About right there. Basically kind of connect this part. And then right here we're going to pop it out just like the other side. And in. There. And then once again, same thing. Her earrings are about right here. So just draw another circle right here. Finish her curve for the ear and then the dangle part. Right there. Okay, so we have her hair in now, and we're going to finish the rest of it later. Let's work on her body. So right in the center, let's give her a little neck right here. And we're going to bring this down for her shoulders. And on this side right here, I'm going to make it a little bit higher because her hand is on her hip. So just, well, it could be the same. It doesn't really matter. So then from there, let's find her armpit. So this is where her shoulders are. And she's wearing this jacket. So jacket top. So I'm going to bring it down pretty low. And I'm going to start to angle it out. Just to give myself an idea of what I'm working with. And then let's come back right here and about in this area. I'm going to draw a curve towards the center. And back up. Then let's come right here for a collar for a detail on her top. So about right here, I'm going to draw a curve that comes in. And a curve. And then right in the center right here, let's add another curve and another one for her inside. And let's see here. So let's keep bringing this down. And let's bring this center line down right here for her jacket. And let's see here, about right there, I'll stop. And bring this out. And right here, I'm going to split it. And let's bring this down. So for all my Indian cuties, let me know, I should have Googled it, but what is this outfit right here called, this top right here? I know it's not a jacket, so definitely let me know in the comments below. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect with a curve. So this one is lower and it's going to go up. There. So I have this piece in now. Then in between, I'm going to go ahead and connect it for the inside layer. And then we can start to draw her legs. So in the center, I'm going to give myself 2 angles. And I'm going to come about right here. Just imagining her hip. And let's come down. So let's work on this side first. So about right here. Just going to give it a little pop of a curve. And then connect, and then the cuff, and connect, and then her feet. So I'm just going to give her some bare feet. So bring it out, round it off, and connect. And right here, big toe, and then 2 tiny ones right here. So same thing on this side. Round it off. For her pants. And then a little cuff right here, just like the other side. And her feet. And connect. And then once again, big toe, and then 2 smaller ones right here. There. So then let's come back up and we're going to finish her top. So let's bring this about right here. And I'm going to go ahead and connect right there. So then for her, this arm, I'm just going to bring it down to her side. So just flare this out about right there. I want her hands to end about right here. and thicken up her sleeve and connect. And then let's give her a thumb and fingers to curve, and then add a little one at the back. And let's come in here with some details right there with a curve. So in this one, I want her hands to end about right here on her hip. So just keep that in mind. So say about right here where her armpit area would be. And come about right here. Draw a curve, and let's thicken it up. These angles are so hard to connect. Right here. Add some crease, and then her hand. So angle it out, angle, and then a little finger towards the back. And once again, same thing right here for a little detail. And so then let's come back and draw her hair. So about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a curve for straight, beautiful black hair. About right there, and I'll end it, come out a little bit, give it some zigzags. Bring it in. Try not to get in the way here of my hands, but so same thing here. About right there. Come in, zigzag a little bit, and just bring it in for her hair. And let's draw some details on her top right here. So there's these gold embellishments. So we're just going to draw the main ones because it's actually pretty intricate, and not sure if I want these harsh black lines, so maybe when we're coloring it. So I'll just draw some main ones. So come down right here, straight down, then we're gonna angle out, and then I'm just gonna draw 3 curves to simplify it, and go across. So same thing here, come down, angle out, 3 curves, and out. And even in here, I almost forgot, there's some details in here as well. I'll just put a simple little diamond shape right here. And then she has this patch right here, so I'll just make it a circle to simplify it. And I'll put these curves on all 4 sides. And of course I'll make mine a heart in here to make her my Draw So Cute Mira, right? And of course there's all these beautiful gold designs that you can add when you're coloring. And I just put 2 leaves right here. And there's even some beautiful design right here. So I'll just simplify it and come right here and just make this shape right here. So same thing here, kind of like this flower and in. And let's see, that is pretty much it for this drawing of Mira from Disney's Royal Detective. I really hope you loved this drawing and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any